Hey again, let me start by writing our first application in Kotlin. So to get started, I will click here to create a new project. Then from here, I select this one, Kotlin Java, from Java, Kotlin Java, and I click next. Here I will name my project name. Let me name it Kotlin Udemy Demo. Okay. So this is my place for where my project live. Then I click finish. It will take some time until he will create all project for me. So waiting for it until everything get ready. So this is my development environment. Any files I want to add it, I will add it inside src. So just click right, and I want to add my first Kotlin file. So select Kotlin file and name it first app. Okay. Click OK. He will create this file for me. If you see, just he create file for me, and this file have this line of code. I just click Ctrl, I delete it and don't have anything. So now if I just click right to run my application could not run because I don't have any starting point for my application to get run from. So I have to define my start point. So to define a start point, I will write function, like I name it fun, I name it main. This is function already shipped with the Kotlin file. So if you see any file, name it .kt. This is the function. We'll name it main function. Will be fire automatically whenever anyone want to run this file. I write rx, then colon, then I will write array in this way, then open a bracket, string. Make sure to type the same thing that I typed here, because I don't want you to understand what's going on here. I will teach you everything in details later on. So then open a bracket, close it. So make sure you write fun, main, open a bracket, args, double colon, array, then close the bracket, this thing, then open a bracket, close it. All your code goes here. So your code, any code you will want to run, it will goes between these two brackets. Why? Because now if I just click right, see he defined the starting point. You now understand from where you have to start. When I click run, he will directly go to this function and he will start running the content of this function step by step. What this argument mean? This is input argument to this function to get run. You don't need to know about details of this argument. We will discuss in details. Now just think about you have you have this thing and you don't know the details. You just know what you want to add any code. When you want to add a code, you have to be here. So think about you want to print something. To print something on the output in Kotlin, you just write print, then you open a bracket, then you add whatever you want to print. If you want to print string, you just add double colon. For example, you want to write welcome to Kotlin. Okay. Now you want to run this code, just you click right and you click run. He will take some time until he will build your application, then he will run it. I know here in Kotlin he will take some time for compiling and passing information, but I know they will fix it later on, because for now it would take some time until he would able to run his first application. So yes, looking here, while I'm waiting how the application will run, first of all he will go to this line of code, then he will just start execute the content line by line. Now he have only one line, only this code. So he just print welcome to Kotlin, then he will done. So waiting some time until you see he compiled everything in the output. He just compiled the things for you and he converted first up to class C++. So now you will see the output here. If you see, whatever I highlight here, I wrote welcome to Kotlin, he printed the output screen welcome to Kotlin. If you want to print another thing, like another print statement, let me suppose here you have another print statement. So you save a print, you write hi Hussein. Okay, but now what's going on? If I just click run, he will recompile everything. He will take Kotlin, convert it to Java, then he build it. So it's not converting to Java, I just converted to executable. As you saw in the output file, he just convert this file to the executable file. So now what he will do, he will start running step by step. First he will go to main function, then he will find this line of code, he will run it, then he will go next to the second line of code, he will run it, and he will done. So first he print hi Hussein, then he print welcome to Kotlin. If I just double click here to add this one, breakpoint, then click right and select debug. Why breakpoint and debug? So because I want to show you how the application will run step by step. You will see a lot debugging later on. The idea of debugging it allow me to show you how the application will get executed step by step. So this is really interesting part for you to understand from this lecture, like how the application runs step by step. So if you see here, he just stopped on this line. See output, I don't have anything. If I want to go see how this code runs, so in this code run, he will put on the screen hi Hussein. If you see, he print hi Hussein. Then if I just click run again, he just bring welcome to Kotlin. If you see how the application runs step by step, this line, then this line. This important part you have to take out from this session. So the application get run step by step. So just stop it. What about if I want to add Hussein in line and welcome to Kotlin in line? Just add /n, print ln. That means he will print this one in line, then print this one in a new line. Now if you just rerun it, he will print hi Hussein in one line, then he print welcome to Kotlin in other line, because the print line, that means hey, take this content and print it on the specific line on the screen. Then you have another print line, that means hey, take this content also and print another line. So hey, print line, that means take this one, print it on the line. Then you have another print line, hey, take this one and print it on another line. Also, you could use the old fashioned, like just a print, because print just printing, and you just add here the word /n. That you'll see it too much later on. /n is equal to new line, that means he print this thing, he goes a new line in the screen, then he go print the second one. So this is important part. So just rerun it again. You will see how he will debug it, and how you still have same result. So a print don't have to have only string inside it. You could print anything, like see, you still have same result. So as I told you, print doesn't have to have only string. You could have print number, like print 3. You could see now 3 on the output, because this is just print statement. You could print string, integer, float, whatever. So just what you have to take out from this session: the application runs step by step. See, this is the 3. The application executes step by step, and also you have main function for application to get started. Here we done, and thank you for watching, and see you next